Welcome to the Best Startup Idea Ever podcast, where everyday needs inspire practical but breakthrough startup ideas. Let's begin with a smart lock for deliveries, making receiving packages safer and more convenient than ever. Next is an active play game for kids, helping children stay active and have fun in the digital age. And don't miss the custom gift box, a solution that makes choosing and giving beautiful gifts easy, without the stress of wrapping. Each story is a practical and simple idea that could lead to a promising startup journey. Let's dive in and explore together. Story 1. Box Lock. In today's fast-growing world of online shopping, a small problem has become a major frustration for many people. Packages get delivered and then disappear. Imagine this: you order something valuable, get a delivered notification, but when you get home, nothing is there. A moment of confusion, then a chain of emails, complaints, and finally disappointment. It was in that very moment of frustration that BoxLock was born, a smart and practical solution to a modern problem. When a lock gets smarter and protects every package, BoxLock isn't just a smart lock, it's like a digital gatekeeper for your deliveries. The idea is simple but creative. Each customer has a personal delivery box secured with a smart lock that works with a barcode verification system. The lock only opens when the delivery driver scans the correct barcode from a registered package. That means the package can be safely placed inside, and only by the right person. In short, the delivery driver doesn't need a code or an app, just scan the label. The customer can monitor and control the entire process remotely. And thieves, they can't do anything with a locked box, even if it's sitting right by your front door all day. A huge but overlooked market. BoxLock hit a very real pain point in today's digital age: the insecurity of home delivery. In a world where millions of packages are shipped daily, and stories of stolen or misdelivered items are common, this product isn't just convenient, it protects the online shopping experience. Now think bigger. Who needs something like this? Busy families, people living alone, businesses with storage areas, or even delivery companies. What's the real strength of the product? It's not just the lock itself, it's the system, linking delivery data, barcode verification, and physical security. That's what makes BoxLock stand out. They're not just selling locks, they're selling peace of mind. Startups are about solving real problems, not just making products. The biggest lesson from BoxLock is this: a small problem, if solved the right way, can unlock a massive market. They didn't chase flashy tech trends or build a complicated app. They focused on improving a very common behavior: receiving packages at home. From there, they understood their target customers, people who have lost packages or are afraid of losing them. Created a simple solution for a specific, real-world need. And most importantly, they built a scalable business model, able to partner with delivery companies, retail platforms, or even local courier services. A note for future entrepreneurs: if you're searching for a startup idea, don't think you need to invent something completely new. Sometimes, the most common problems, like a missing package, can spark $1 million business. What matters is, can you see the problem clearly? Can you turn it into a real business opportunity? Can you build a simple, effective product that people will trust? BoxLock did that. And so can you. If you listen to the market, observe user behavior, and stay committed to the solution you believe in, great things can happen. Because in the end, entrepreneurship isn't always about changing the world. Sometimes, it's just about helping someone feel more secure when receiving a package at their doorstep. Story 2. Boot Camp Challenge. Imagine a fun zone filled with the sound of children laughing, a place where kids don't just sit staring at screens, but jump, move, and overcome challenges in the most exciting way possible. This isn't a scene from an animated movie. It's what Bounce Boot Camp is bringing to life with a unique product. Boot Camp Challenge. This is one of the most creative and educational physical activity models for kids. It's not just about bouncing around and playing. Boot Camp Challenge combines physical games, basic fitness training, and the development of soft skills like teamwork, obstacle navigation, and even discipline, all wrapped in a fun, energetic, and safe experience. From playground to business idea. The problem Bounce Boot Camp saw wasn't new. Kids are becoming less physically active. Technology, city life, and academic pressure have pushed physical activity, which is vital for healthy development, to the background. Instead of just complaining, they created a solution, an activity model so fun that kids beg their parents to join. With a flexible setup that can be run in parks, schools, birthday parties, or fairs, Boot Camp Challenge isn't just a product, it's a mobile service. This gives it a huge advantage: low overhead costs, access to a variety of locations, and most importantly, it never gets boring. Why is it successful? 1. They understand the real customer, parents, and the users, kids. Bounce Boot Camp succeeds because they get the key idea. If you want to sell a service for kids, you must win parents with safety and win kids with fun. Their games are age-appropriate, challenging but not too hard, active but not dangerous, creating the perfect balance between entertainment and physical development. 2. They follow the beneficial play trend. Modern parents don't just want their kids to have fun, they want them to learn, grow stronger, and develop. That's why Bounce Boot Camp is a smart choice. In a market full of flashy but shallow options, Boot Camp Challenge offers real value to both the kids who play and the parents who pay, something not all brands can deliver. 3. Their business model is flexible and scalable. What's special is that their product isn't limited to selling toys. They can offer franchises, run training classes, organize events, and partner with schools, hospitals, or even companies for CSR programs. Each game becomes a flexible scenario to approach the market from many directions, not just as a product on a shelf. The startup lesson. If you're exploring a path in entertainment, education, or kids services, remember this: playing is a natural need, but smart play is the future. Bounce Boot Camp's success doesn't come from fancy tech or a big startup budget, but from observing real needs, optimizing the experience, and building around lasting value. You don't need to invent something totally new. Sometimes, you just need to take a basic social need, like helping children play in a healthy way, and make it better, more fun, and more flexible. That alone can be the start of a powerful business idea. Bounce Boot Camp reminds us, success doesn't always come from high-tech ideas. Sometimes, it starts from the heart, and from truly understanding people, especially the youngest customers we serve. Story 3. Bouquet Bar. You need to find a gift for someone special, maybe your partner's birthday, your parents' anniversary, or an important occasion with a colleague. You want something elegant, beautiful, and personal, but you don't have time to hunt for individual items and wrap them all up like in a romantic movie. That's the exact opportunity moment where Bouquet Bar steps in, offering a stylish solution to the age-old question: how do you give a gift that's both meaningful and effortless? When gifting becomes a premium experience. Bouquet Bar is a creative startup with a simple yet emotional mission: to turn gift-giving into an art, one that anyone can do. They don't just sell pre-packed gift boxes, they let you customize each box with items you choose yourself: sweet chocolates, dried flowers, scented candles, bath bombs, or even tiny cute cacti. Everything is beautifully arranged in a high-end box, more like a piece of decor than just a package. This blend of elegant design and personal touch made Bouquet Bar stand out immediately when they appeared on Shark Tank. They represent a modern way of thinking in the gifting industry. It's not about what you buy, but how you make the other person feel. Why was this idea special? 1. Solving the time problem for busy people. Not everyone has time or talent for gift wrapping. Bouquet Bar made the gifting process easy and elegant by standardizing the art of giving, while still letting customers personalize their gift based on the occasion, preferences, or style. 2. Elevating a simple industry. Gifts are nothing new, but Bouquet Bar approached it differently. They turned gifting into a premium experience with full attention to detail. This helped them become a recognizable brand, not just another gift shop. 3. Scalable and adaptable. The model could easily grow into holidays, corporate gifting, product launches, weddings, and more. From one platform of customizable gift boxes, a whole gifting ecosystem could be built. So why did they fail? Even with a great idea, the harsh reality of business can be unforgiving. High shipping costs, expensive customer acquisition, and the challenge of maintaining personalization at scale led to Bouquet Bar shutting down in 2019. This teaches us a valuable lesson: a beautiful idea doesn't always mean a sustainable business. In online retail, especially with physical products, logistics is a silent battlefield that startups must plan for carefully. One weak link, like high shipping fees or manual packing delays, can break the entire system, no matter how amazing the product is. Startup lessons to learn. Bouquet Bar is proof that even in markets that seem saturated, there's still room for creativity. They didn't invent gifts or new products, they redesigned the entire gifting experience, making it easier and more meaningful. If you're dreaming of your own startup, remember: focus on customer emotion, like how Bouquet Bar centered the experience around the gift receiver. Simplify the complicated, turning a messy process into something easy is a powerful kind of innovation. Never ignore operations. A great product isn't enough if you can't deliver it smoothly and efficiently. Bouquet Bar may have closed its chapter, but the creativity and core idea they introduced remain a lasting inspiration for anyone dreaming of creating something beautiful, useful, and able to truly touch the hearts of customers. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. If you find best idea ever stories inspiring or valuable lessons, please share them with your friends. Don't forget to follow the channel to continue exploring other bold startup journeys with me. See you in the next episode, where every idea, no matter where it comes from, can become the seed of a big dream.